If you just want to make your first film in Unreal, or you want to get practice and you want to get those reps in, there is some great 3D assets that you can download and characters that you can download without knowing how to model, how to texture, how to rig, or how to animate. So the best resources for free characters are going to be, again, on the Epic Games Marketplace. And all you need to do is in the search bar, type in Paragon. So there's going to be about 40 high quality AAA assets, humans, robots, monsters, orcs, all these different things that you can use. And literally all of these are completely free. They were released by Epic Games in one of their projects, which was this game called Paragon. And you can use any of these in your own projects. And a lot of them come with 5 or 6 different skins. So you could just download one asset and have those two fight each other or whatever you want to do. And they also come with their own animations. So this, to me, I could give you 2 or 3 other places to look for characters, but if you haven't already downloaded these Paragon characters, put them in your own films, create